This is the 11th step in our path of influence. By now, every tactic sharpens your edge, each one designed to shift how others value your presence and your voice. Tactic 51. Vulnerability in context. Vulnerability is not weakness. It becomes a weapon when wielded with precision. Let us assume you share a personal hardship only while teaching resilience. Instead of pity, people admire your strength to endure. The hardship doesn't lower you, it raises the lesson. And the psychology behind it is, controlled vulnerability activates empathy and trust. But when framed inside strength, it inspires admiration instead of sympathy. But this is the mistake most people do. They overshare raw pain in the wrong moment. Instead of influence, it drains their authority and leaves them exposed. Tactic 52. Shared identity cues. People follow those who make them feel part of something greater than themselves. Let us assume in a meeting you don't say, "I need this done." Instead, you say, "We will achieve this together." That single shift in language turns obedience into genuine followership, and the psychology behind it is, the human brain craves belonging. Shared identity removes resistance and replaces it with loyalty. But this is the mistake most people do. They sprinkle "we" carelessly as a mask for manipulation. Empty inclusion backfires, breaking trust instead of building it. Tactic 53. Firm negotiation. Influence is not born from endless compromise. It is earned through calm firmness. Let us assume someone pressures you to slash your terms. Instead of folding, you repeat your stance with composure, making it clear that value must be met with value. Respect follows, not resentment. And the psychology behind it is, consistency under pressure triggers authority bias. People equate firmness with inner strength and higher worth. But this is the mistake most people do. They confuse firmness with aggression. Aggression erodes respect. True influence speaks through calm, steady resolve. Tactic 54. Stillness under pressure. When chaos rises, even your body must signal command. Let us assume in a heated debate, as others fidget, you stay still. No frantic gestures, only your voice carries weight. That deliberate stillness becomes a force stronger than words, and the psychology behind it is, the brain equates stillness with mastery. Motionlessness under stress signals dominance, focus, and control. But this is the mistake most people do. They freeze awkwardly, like prey. Stillness must look intentional, not fearful. Tactic 55. Purposeful agreement. Agreement is currency. It gains power only when given with care. Let us assume in discussion, you nod only at points that align with your direction. Each agreement feels deliberate, not casual. People value it more because it is rare. And the psychology behind it is the scarcity principle again. When agreement is selective, it feels earned. And what is earned is respected. But this is the mistake most people do. They agree too freely. Constant yeses reduce their presence to background noise. Influence rises when your yes carries weight. These 5 seeds of influence, plant them within until we meet again.